I got this crazy idea. I thought, I'm going to just tune in with my guidance. I'm just going to follow that guidance no matter what it tells me to do. No matter how crazy it sounds, I'm going to step in and try it. Imagine a world where you can sense opportunities before they come to you, and you can take action and step into those opportunities before you even know what they are. Anybody can use energy work to create amazing results in their life, and you can use energy work too. Does this sound impossible to you? I understand, because for 15 years I was a software engineer and architect, and I was used to creating things with my mind. I was used to setting things up in a linear fashion and taking step by step to get toward my goals. And even though I was very successful, when I got to the height of that career, I realized something really funny. I realized that all that outer success had not brought me happiness. And I got this crazy idea. I thought, I'm going to just tune in with my guidance. I'm just going to follow that guidance no matter what it tells me to do. So about a week later, my boss calls me into the office, and she says, I want to give you a promotion, but I can't give you more money because we just had reviews. She says, think about it overnight and let me know what you'd like instead. So I thought, opportunities. So I tune in, I'm meditating, and I hear, you need 2 weeks off right away to go visit your friend in Germany, and 1 month paid vacation in the entire month of May. I went into the office, I told her, and she said, no problem. Before I know it, I'm in Germany with my friend. Another friend from Poland appears. I haven't seen her in years. Turns out she lives in Uganda and she has a healing school, and she's teaching intuition. And I tell her I've got May off, and she says, wow, that's amazing, because I need a substitute teacher for the entire month of May. So before I know it, I'm down in Uganda. I'm teaching these graduate energy classes to all these students, and I don't tell them that I'm an engineer. I'm kind of afraid they're going to find out I'm an engineer pretending to be a healer and a teacher. By the end of the month, I've seen so many results. I do have the credentials. I've taken all the classes and so on, but I never saw myself taking this on as a career. But by the end of the month, people have had such good results, and I realized, wow, this is what I'm here to do. This is why I'm not happy, because I'm not helping people in this way. I'm not fulfilling my goals or my life's purpose. In my masterclass, I'm going to teach you the same tools that I used to be able to tune in to those synchronicities and follow the guidance that's going to take you where you want to go. So whether you're looking for a new career like I was, or you're looking to improve the love in your life, or if you're just looking to increase the synchronicities and have a little more fun in life and add that energy and juice back in that you might be missing, I'm going to first teach you how to clear your #1 energy block in just 7 minutes. We're going to look at how to tune in with your intuition so that you know what those next steps are for you. And we're going to go through step by step so you know very clearly how to make this intuition play out in your life. Anybody can use energy work to create amazing results in their life, and you can use energy work too. I'm looking forward to sharing these tools with you. I'm Jeffrey Allen, and I look forward to seeing you in the masterclass.